So today I really wanted to work on trying to get the birds to come to my shoulder, as you can see with the treat. And they were pretty skittish this morning, but they came around. I made the mistake of looking at Charlie and spooked him for a second. Chappie's so cute. And then Charlie, he was hiding on a cage. My house is really loud, so it makes it difficult to get close to the birds, especially when budgies are pretty skittish. There he is. Beautiful green color. And there's my boys being loud again. We were putting up a new TV and they decided to sword fight with the foam TV pieces. They finally got to my shoulder and I was so proud. And there goes Chappie, thinking about it. There he goes. Oh, and I lost the treat. So I wanted to read a little bit of the morning reading. It's out of Psalm 8. And starting in 6, you have made him to have dominion over the works of your hands. You have put all things under his feet, all sheep and oxen, even the beasts of the field, the birds of the air, and the fish of the sea that pass through the paths of the seas. O Lord, our Lord, how excellent is your name in all the earth.